Hello everybody, my name is Harvey. I work as a network engineer at DrayTek Australia. Today I will show you quickly how to set up an SSL VPN tunnel using SmartVPN for an iPhone and adding mOTP for two-factor authentication. So what is mOTP? It means mobile one-time password, which the imOTP app on your iPhone will create for the SSL VPN setup. And this password will be valid for a few seconds, typically 60 seconds. After that, a new password will need to be generated. imOTP is for iPhones, as DrayTek is for Android. I will show you how this is done in a moment. So this is the dashboard of our DrayTek router. We check that the one IP address is if it's settled down. Then we will create a remote dialog user, enable it, and type in a username and password, making sure that the SSL encryption is selected, and then click OK to save it. Now we will make sure that the system date and time is updated, as this is very important for mOTP. We will then click on the SmartVPN icon on the iPhone and insert the username and password used beforehand. We then slide the switch to the right and start the VPN tunnel. We can see that there is an IP address assigned to the LAN created on the iPhone, and if we check the router VPN connection management, we will see that there is a green line created for the SSL VPN tunnel. We will now download the imOTP app on our iPhone and launch it for the setup. The message "No profile defined" will be displayed, and we will proceed by clicking on the plus icon at the top left corner. Here we are. We set the period to show the OTP for 60 seconds and then click on the initialize secret. For this demo, we will choose to use random digits and enter 20 random digits. The 16-digit secret code starting with FC11 will be generated. We will copy that in our buffer. We then go back to open the user profile on the router and we enable mOTP. We type in a PIN code. Here it is 2233. Remember that PIN for later. And then paste the 16-digit secret code. See on the screen how it's done. Then we click OK to save that profile. Now we will go to the iPhone and start the VPN tunnel in the SmartVPN app. A request for authentication will be displayed, and that's where we will use the PIN 2233 used to set up the dial-in profile and generate a secret code on the imOTP app. This secret code, C81F82, will then be used in the SmartVPN prompt to authorize the creation of the VPN tunnel. Click OK and observe that the VPN tunnel comes up immediately. You can see the IP address of the tunnel and also in the VPN management web page on the router. You will see the VPN in green. Again, if you use Chrome on the iPhone, you will be able to open the web UI of the router through the VPN. Now I will show you how to use the internal mOTP generator that has been added recently in the SmartVPN app version 5.6.2. So we now open the SmartVPN app and click on the exclamation mark to edit the profile. Then remove a password if there is one and enable the Use mOTP switch. Then click on the mOTP setup button to get to the mOTP secret password generation screen. We will then insert a PIN number, say 223344, and click on the Generate button. A 32-digit secret code will be generated. See, it starts with 7985. We copy that code somewhere, and then we switch to the router on the VPN remote dialing profile. We click on the Enable mOTP, and then we insert the 223344 pin and paste the 32-digit secret code starting with 7985, and then click OK to save the profile. Now going back to the iPhone on the SmartVPN app, we click on the right arrow and slide the switch to start the VPN. Here you go, the VPN is up and running. You will see the IP address of the VPN, and you will also note that there is no authentication prompt asking for password, since the mOTP generator issues the one-time password and feeds it directly to the SmartVPN app. This concludes the demo on how to create an SSL VPN using mOTP on a DrayTek router. Thank you again for your kind attention. Bye for now.